It's already seen. Okay, next, I raise the topic of them is preparedness guide natural disaster because this term is very vulnerability in Indonesia is very relevant too, which occurs very often, even involving casualties. Infographic dealing with earthquake disaster atau disebut dengan gempa. Earthquake activity in Indonesia increased drastically during in year 2017. In 2017, there was increase of 1,351 earthquakes while compared to 2016. Artinya, setiap kenaikan ini selalu naik sekitar 1.000 dari tahun per tahun. Dan tema yang diambil tahun 2017 karena pada tahun 2017 ini lonjakan atau ada up most disaster alert yang paling most ability yang paling banyak dan paling sangat tinggi selisihnya. Indonesia is the one country at last of the Johnson after the main plate of the Earth mempunyai 3 lempeng. The Earth plate atau Eurasia lempeng, plate Indo-Australia, lempeng Indo-Australia dan juga plate Pacific atau lempeng Pasifik. The plate is constantly of the move and constantly the potentially of the earthquake as the college. In this case, Indonesia has a potential. Tragedy is very dangerous because it has potential for large earthquakes. The engaging that there was 19 times the big earthquake spell of the year, 2017, and we saw the casualties injury the half damage. Next, we can see the map, and Indonesia have a most earthquake active in round of the land, terutama Java. But generally, the earthquake activity in this country is not comparable with a high level preparedness and the of disaster. And the bad like public case regional disaster prepared the majority being a factor major qualities. Banyaknya kualitas menyebabkan lajunya tingkat ke korban jiwa yang ada di Pulau Jawa dan sekitar daerah-daerah gempa. Apa itu gempa? What is an earthquake? The earthquake is perturbation atau shock happen of the earth surface caused by the constellation between the earth plates, fluid active, volcanic activity, and the rock debris earthquake. Biasanya gempa ini akibat permindahan dislokasi dan juga relokasi suatu lempengan. And the earth as a result, and the neck of the host will move to the building and the other people's facilities so that it can host facilities. Tipe earthquake atau types of the earthquakes, tectonic, lempeng, like Aceh in 2004. Second one, volcanic earthquake, ini gunung berapi atau erupsi volcano. Dan third, induction earthquake atau gempa buatan yang disebut oleh jatuhan atau runtuhan. Preparedness with earthquake, kesiapsiagaan dalam menanggapi gempa bumi, it's very fast. Gempa itu sangat cepat, atau earthquake is relatively very fast. So a very footstep at the footstep yourself when it happens is very precious. Satu langkah yang sangat berharga. Preparedness to great earthquake before. It is important to know the prevention of earthquakes and the step must be taken during the earthquake. Among them, first, inside the building, if the earthquake occurs will be a building, run immediately to the exit of exit. Yang kedua, outside the building, if the earthquake occurs while you can outside the building as much as possible, do not take you over the building of this building. The pull over the whistle to let go of the arm motorcycle and find a space. Third one, on the beach and earthquake as which or the beach and under beach, leave the beach and the take shelter of the Hague Air Place. Remember, 20-20-20. 24 tsunami, second to white, 20 minutes for save yourself, and 20 meter to according direction to help evacuation or signal. And the last, in inundation areas, if the earthquake occurs, will the motor of the area be aware of area that are prone to landslide. Flood. What is flood? Flood disaster occur almost every rain season hit Indonesia every year. And the National Disaster Management Agency BNPB not as many as 787 flood hit Indonesia throughout in 2017. What is flood? Flood, according to BNPB, flooding is event situation with submergency of the area land due or the volume water into increase, volume air yang meningkat. seperti high rainfall, lower grain of dispersion seawater, area located at the basin surrounded by hills with stream lateral water out, love the water kids meet outdoor logging of the centimeter development, poor water holding, poor handling of the drains, and they also followed various problems, such as developing hypopyrosis and skin disease and so on. Banyak pisan penyebab ataupun dampak dari gempa. Dari banjir. Next, flood disaster prevents flight, langkah-langkah atau kesiapsiagaan sebelum terjadi gempa. First, flow, ada arus, ciri-cirinya itu arus, floods. Yang kedua, object that drive, dangerous animal can get inside home, seperti buaya, and the level of the water can be drawn. So it's very important to know the pressure facing flood and what to do when the flood occurs. Among them, first, it flood occurs in area, and you can often that we must to listen information for various media regarding flood information, and we can be prepared. Second one, then if there is a flood, we can evaluate to higher place, cari tempat yang lebih tinggi. Yang ketiga, atau third one, be aware to undercurrent, airway puddles, and arus-arus balik yang sangat membahayakan with air. Must know risk the fluid, flash flood, and the overplace. Carilah resiko-resiko yang dampak-dampak bisa dilakukan oleh banjir. And last, when we are evacuated, secure our home. If you have time, put the outside and inside furniture into a place, avoid hiker and separate clothing, place in valuables in the hiker's place in our home. Next, volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is most of the mountain flames spreading of the various regions in Indonesia are active volcanoes. According to BMKG, Indonesia has 127 volcanoes spread across the island of Sumatra, Java, Bali, Lombok, Sulawesi, and Halmahera. In 2017, of the 127 volcanoes in Indonesia, there are only 2 volcanoes with awas status atau siaga status, namely Mount Sinabung and Holy Merchant. Meanwhile, 18 volcanoes have alert status and other are novel status meteorology agency data, climatology, and geophysics BMKG. What is a volcanic eruption? According to BMKG, eruption volcano is a part of volcanic activity. How the by-term eruption, volcanic eruption resulting from activity, and magma movement, plates, tectonics become from the presence of the intense pressure of the site and drives magma in the eruption. Aktivitas magma yang dikeluarkan oleh tenaga dalam dapur magma, yang semakin dalam dapur magma, semakin tinggi juga gempaan atau semakin dikit juga pusat eksplosif suatu erupsi yang ada di gunung berapi tersebut. Volcanic eruption status and language level. First, ada normal activity. It's still normal, like biasa, like everyday. Beware, second one, depression of the civil activity, volcanic event is like change in the activity during movement of magma, tectonic, and juga hydrometals. And the third one, standby. Its first seems alert eruption activity and occur within 2 weeks. Ini biasanya untuk kategori waspada. And the last is very dangerous, it's very important. Is caution atau awas, eruption can occur within 24 hours. Jadi ini bisa berlangsung selama 1 hari, guncangan-guncangan atau beberapa tanah yang akan meletus gunung berapi. Volcanic eruption hazard atau bahaya-bahaya dari gunung berapi ada pyrostatic flow atau gas seperti batuan pyrostatik. Api. Second one, as rain repression microde and this material, they bring gas along the hop and during other volcanic eruption. And third one, this gas come for the process in occur the mine of the rock mineral. Questionless gas or gas direct to will blown and can cause death. And lava il motion of the flow and the earth throw, volcanic earth throw. What is the solidifying signatures of the very especially mixture of rocks, sand, grave, and to flow of water the ocean. In Indonesia, particular lava half activity will increase with increasing rainfall intensity. Lava dan lairuk sangat berbeda. Is different is lava yang dikeluarkan oleh magma yang masih membeku, kalau lahar membawa aliran paths with direction and trifle fallacies, jauhi tempat-tempat yang curam, tempat-tempat yang sangat memungkinkan terjadinya atau lebih meninggikan kerentanan. Yang keenam atau yang last, wear a mask if you heard choke the volcanic of the wear. Drugs must design a protect against lung intertent. Usahakan untuk segera menggunakan masker supaya menutupi wajah atau penghirupan dari gas-gas yang berbahaya dan yang dikeluarkan oleh gunung berapi. Next disaster yaitu landslide atau longsor tanah runtuhan. The number of the victims passed away at the activities last landslide because it's still many severity of the life in the region is landslide prone. Landslides occur at night of the swallow, flow facilities, and majority of people will have the time to self up, and because the evolution will have the still sleeping, and if you are the early point of the landslide, be aware if there is continuous heavy rain and the regions of the symptom of the landslide. Biasanya di Indonesia, yang biasanya itu adalah dengan adanya wear still atau disebut dengan rain haze, dan juga potensi-potensi yang bisa menguncangkan, dan biasanya terjadi pada malam hari sehingga sulit untuk menyelamatkan diri. What is landslide? According to BNPB, the landslide of the typical ground of the mass movement of rock and a mixture of the two, the center of the sticks and the slope to the stroke on the full stability of the rock, making up spook, and frequent landslides are triggered of the upward vibration, eruption of volcanoes, but the rain is happen during several days, and the eruption both caused by nature and was the human. Dan biasanya terjadi karena batuan-batuan atau disebut dengan namanya kejadian bencana sekunder atau bencana kedua yang diakibatkan oleh adanya gempa juga, atau ada juga yang disebut dengan eruption of volcanoes atau rains, terlalu tinggi curah hujan, dan juga potensi struktur of the geology atau kerentanan tanah. Selanjutnya ada beberapa tipe, the types of the landslide atau tipe-tipe dari tanah longsoran. The first one, transitional landslide atau disebut dengan movement atau storage method, is a plan from the land pathogenic wealth. Ini biasanya kayak gempa longsoran yang biasanya terluncur secara translasi atau secara menurun. Second one, rotation, avalanche of the movement at the soil mass of the adjacent and current point block movement of the move in the place in the plane padding. Third, block moving in the movement of rock and that moves at the palisading plane. This landslide is also known as flagstone translation landslide, where clouds and occur when a larger amount of rock on the material moving of the interpole. And soil terminated is have the slope flowing to landslide, and soil tippers or cross of the plane again. This type of landslide is almost unstable after a long period of distant semi of creepy landslide at first telephone poles or tree of the host of the target. Jadi terminasi tipe-tipe gempa is very slow moving landslide, almost unstable atau jarang terjadi juga after long period time is creeping as landslide adalah salah satu gempa atau salah satu longsoran akibat gempa yang sangat berbahaya. Next, rocks collapse occur when a large amount of the rock or other materials moving the point in free fall. And last, landslide followed by vertical flows occurs mainly in highly adamantine of the areas. These areas generally have steep to very steep slopes, and the flow strikes of the landslide material is all currently visible, namely chalk and the valley where water normal flow. Landslide prevents buoyant include kesiapsiagaannya. First one, landslide and occur anytime. Apa saja bisa terjadi, when you can sleep and when you can eat, so what can you do and setting something. You should have be ready to act in the moment. Many of the deaths for landslide occur while people were sleep trail. If you are the real people who are together to continue watching and with all your asking for the waiting thing of a nearby landslide, including stones like falling material, debris, or check in water clearly of flow, are useful familiarize to yourself and with lesser warping seats, especially if you live in area prone of to landslide. Keep reading to learn more about landslide warning state in detail. Jadi be aware terhadap longsoran atau longsoran yang biasanya terjadi, yang the most happen kayak misalkan longsoran-longsoran akibatkan oleh curah hujan, dan juga struktur optik geologi suhu tanah. Oleh karena itu kita harus waspada dengan adanya keep reading, learn more about landslide warning sheet in detail, atau kita harus bisa open terhadap pemerintah juga terhadap BNPB yang selalu menyertakan atau selalu mengusahakan supaya meminimalisir resiko dari bencana landslide. Second one, listen to latest news from the local news station using a battery-powered radio or television. Tune into the local news station for the latest weather updates. Be aware of learning about his landslide and then you can see the landslide. Next, activity is the safe to do so. Sometimes local authorities will order people to evacuate, but other times they may be able to listen until it's too late. If you think a landslide will occur that is safe to leave, evacuation immediately. Contact the force and the local police of the fire department to them and them to the danger. Make sure you have bring two pets with you, and don't forget to bring emergency kits, which contain essentials such as food, drinking water, and medicines. You will find out how to prepare in the next section. Next, be careful and be careful when driving. If you need to drive to leave a danger area, do so with caution. Watch the fluid roads and collapsed sidewalks, falling debris, and the breaks of the wet towards away water. Do not cross the flowed river. Instead, to around to try to find off the alternative roads. Biasakan atau minimalisirkan rute-rute yang kita jalani, minimalisir dari faktor kerentanan atau vulnerability dari landslide. Selanjutnya, next, get out the landslide path at the fast as possible. Landslide travel quickly, much faster than you can walk around trying to escape from the island. Get up the landslide path of the quickly as possible. And before crossing any bridge, always look upstream to see it as a landslide approaching. If you do not cross the bridge or move away from the landslide path. Biasakan ketika kita ada longsoran susulan, lari secepat mungkin, much faster than you can walk and run and trying to escape. Lari-lari dan cari tempat yang lebih aman dan kerentanan atau vulnerability-nya lebih kecil. Next, second, avoid rival valleys and the outer level area. This area is very dangerous when landslide approaching and stay away from this area. Jauhi area-area yang lebih berbahaya dan memungkinkan kerentanan lebih tinggi. The most often vulnerability is usually the severe very lazy of application and the river valleys of the other areas, atau tempat-tempat seperti tanah-tanah yang licin ataupun daerah-daerah sekitar dari sungai. Last, curl up like a ball if you don't have time to expect, and in some case you may to be able to escape and you can get choked and of the landslide. Curl up like ball and cover your head. Ketika landslide sudah terjadi, it happens, kita bisa melakukan roll atau bisa menggulingkan kepala dengan menggelindingkan badan supaya tidak tertimbun, dan usahakan tutupi kepala kalian ketika landslide it happen. Maybe enough material that I can explain. I return to Kang Agi.
Well, friends, we have listened to the presentation of material from Aryo Putra Susanto, which is very good and interesting about disaster alert. Next is the question and answer session. Anyone want to ask? Ada yang ingin bertanya? Ada yang ingin bertanya?
May I ask question?
Oh,
Of
sure.
course, ma'am.
Of course.
Okay. about the disaster, Lembang is the one of daerah berbahaya ya.
Yeah, dangerous
So
place.
we have to know about how to prevent, how to rescue ourselves and our family. My question is, what do you think about the bag that we can use it for when disaster come? Yeah, it is called emergency bag or disaster bag. What is it? What we call it?
Uh,
Nah, what is the item that we could bring when disaster is ready to come? Yeah, the bag is apa ya? Isi dari tas itu apa saja seperti itu. What is the important
yeah.
things we could carry when disaster come? Thank you.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Miss.
thank you, Miss.
Before I answer the question, I will to tell you about Lembang is a danger, one of the danger place into dangers into disaster is called of Sesar. Oh, how many calls? Usually, it tergantung bisa persiapan juga bisa dilakukan kapan saja dan barangnya pun itu tergantung. Tapi yang paling importantnya itu sendiri center fluid and some P3K dan pelindung kepala juga. Kurang lebih seperti
Okay,
itu, Bu.
thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you for Miss for the question. Anyone else?
Assalamualaikum.
Ya, Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
May I ask the question?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. First, my name is Pak Purnama. I'm the counseling teacher in SMA Negeri 1 Lembang. Firstly, I want to give the big appreciation for this program
Thank you.
because this program can develop your competence in English, in sharpening your skill also in performing your capacities, especially in your topic. And then my question is, regarding with Lembang as the high risk, dangerous, especially in landslide. kind of program can you propose to our school related with the disaster potential, especially from the student to the school? What kind of program as the
Uh,
preventive program?
okay, thank
And
you,
then
sir, for the
second
question.
question is, the second question is, has been our school well prepared enough in case once in the future there is a disaster potential? Thank you.
Uh, sama, sir. First one, I want to answer the first question is among the places. Actually, the government and I am to return it to all the effect have been all the mobilized, but sometimes many people can be always get wrong response. My project and my returner is can be say quickly movement or bergerak cepat dengan adanya tindakan. Tindakan tersebut bisa dilakukan dengan cara first one intake atau respon terhadap bencana. Second one intense mengerti, and third one is paham atau understand. And to answer the second question, di SMA 1 Lembang ini saya bilang kurang karena untuk uh, uh, tingkat capability bencana atau capability of disaster is tentang bagaimana cara kita menanggapinya. Minimal dengan adanya lapangan atau tempat untuk berkumpul, the area of the gutter, and jalur evakuasi sudah dibuat. Bagaimana langkah tempat assessment tercepat terhadap rute-rute yang kita buat, yang ketiga atau the tools, and early warming is usually can be impression of the teachers, and the last is usually about how kita respon, bagaimana kita bisa menanggapi dari adanya bencana tersebut. Jadi guru-guru atau pemerintah atau pihak-pihak sekolah tidak bisa menitik beratkan, tapi kita juga harus bisa bekerja sama. Murid-murid juga harus diberi pemahaman atau diberi learning supaya bisa paham atau mengerti the real looks like gitu, so that it can understand what the real look like. Seperti itu. Makasih.
Okay, I think it's a very good answer. And my suggestion is you can cooperate student council or is to deliver your project, and then you can propose to the school to realize it.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes, thank you.
I will return to Kang Firdaus.
Cek terdengar.
Listen.
That was the material on disaster alert. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. I as a moderator apologize for my mistake. I fully return time to our host, Agi Khairul Dikri. Silakan Agi.
Okay, thank you to Firdaus Irwansyah as the moderator. And thanks also to Aryo and all participants who has provided very useful material. Hopefully this material adds insight into disaster alert for all of us. Moreover, we live in disaster zone area in Lembang. So this material can be useful for all of us. Okay, we close this webinar. For saying Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Sorry
Thank you.
if the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well done, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next session is 11 o'clock.
Yes. 11.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Good job, everyone. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Pur. Thank you, Ms.
Thank you,
Dua.
Mr. Pul. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
And everyone. Students, thank you very much.
Yeah, well done, well done. It's very good program.
Thank you, sir.
I really support it.
Yeah, guys, thank you very much. Yeah, well, I think the first presentation from Aryo is very good. Maybe Aryo will later, yeah, in the next presentation will improve your English. But I think this is your very good performance. Yeah, thank you very much. And believe me, this program can improve your English, can give you opportunity to speak up, right? So you are very lucky to follow this program, and I hope the others, Agi and Firdaus, will present a very good presentation also.
Thank you.
And your answer just now to Mr. Purnama is very good, yeah. Even a mixed bahasa in English is okay. Don't be afraid, yeah, to speak up. So thank you very much for your effort, for your presentation today, guys. So well done. Bye bye, everyone.
Yes. Bye-bye. Thank you.
See you at 11. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wassalam. Ibu.